Hi everyone, remember lugging around those bulky laptops? Yeah, me too. But guess what? The future of computing is here, and it's small enough to fit in your pocket. Get ready to say goodbye to those back-breaking laptops because things are about to change. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Meet the Pocket Rocket, the revolutionary gadget that's about to change the way you work and play. Imagine a device as sleek as your smartphone but with the power of a full-blown laptop. The Pocket Rocket is incredibly compact, easily slipping into your pocket or bag. Don't let its size fool you though, this little beast is packed with features that will blow your mind. Don't underestimate the Pocket Rocket based on its size. This little guy is powered by a cutting-edge processor that can handle anything you throw at it. From demanding applications to resource-intensive games, the Pocket Rocket delivers a buttery smooth experience. Multitasking is a breeze, and you'll never experience lag or slowdowns. It's like having a desktop computer in the palm of your hand. In today's hyper-connected world, staying online is crucial. The Pocket Rocket has you covered with its lightning-fast 5G connectivity. Download and upload files in the blink of an eye, stream high-definition videos without buffering, and video chat with crystal-clear quality. With the Pocket Rocket, you're always connected, no matter where you are. Battery life that won't quit. Power through your day. Imagine starting your day with a fully charged device and not having to worry about it running out of juice no matter where you are or what you're doing. Tired of constantly searching for power outlets? We've all been there, frantically looking for a place to plug in at a busy cafe or airport, only to find all the outlets are taken. It's frustrating and can really put a damper on your plans. The Pocket Rocket boasts an incredibly long-lasting battery that will power you through even the longest days. Whether you're on a long flight, attending back-to-back meetings, or simply out and about, you can rely on the Pocket Rocket to keep you connected and productive. Work, play, and stay productive without worrying about your device dying on you. From working on important projects in the office to unwinding with your favorite game at home, the Pocket Rocket is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. Take it to the coffee shop, the park, or anywhere your day takes you. And when you do need to recharge, the Pocket Rocket supports fast charging so you won't be tethered to an outlet for long. Just a quick charge and you're ready to go. With fast charging capabilities, you'll be back up and running in no time. Imagine the convenience of plugging in your device for just a short while and having it fully charged and ready to tackle the rest of your day. The Pocket Rocket is here to make your life easier and more efficient. A visual feast. Immerse yourself in stunning display quality. Prepare to be amazed by the Pocket Rocket's stunning display. The device features a high-resolution screen that brings your content to life with vibrant colors and crisp details. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, the Pocket Rocket's display will provide an immersive and enjoyable experience. Pocket Rocket in action. From work to play, it's got you covered. The Pocket Rocket is not just another tech device, it's a game-changer in how we approach both work and leisure. Imagine having a single gadget that can transition seamlessly from your professional tasks to your personal entertainment without missing a beat. The Pocket Rocket is incredibly versatile, seamlessly adapting to your needs. Whether you're in a high-stakes business meeting or relaxing at home, this device has got you covered. Its adaptability is unmatched, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to maximize productivity and enjoyment. Let's explore some real-world use cases. The Pocket Rocket shines in various scenarios, proving its worth in both professional and personal settings. Its compact design and powerful features make it a must-have for anyone on the go. Remote work. Work from anywhere with the Pocket Rocket's powerful performance and seamless connectivity. Imagine setting up a remote office in a coffee shop, a park, or even while traveling. The Pocket Rocket ensures you stay connected and productive no matter where you are. Its robust performance means you can handle video conferences, large file transfers, and multitasking with ease. Entertainment, stream movies, play games, and enjoy your favorite content on the go with the Pocket Rocket's stunning display and long-lasting battery. Whether you're on a long flight or just relaxing at home, the Pocket Rocket provides an immersive entertainment experience. Its high-resolution display and superior sound quality make it perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or diving into the latest games. Creative work. Edit photos, design graphics, and unleash your creativity with the Pocket Rocket's powerful processor and intuitive interface. For artists and designers, the Pocket Rocket offers a portable studio that can handle demanding creative software. Its precision and responsiveness make it ideal for detailed work, whether you're editing high-resolution images or creating intricate designs. Smartphone integration. Seamlessly connect your smartphone to the Pocket Rocket for effortless file sharing, notifications, and more. The integration between your smartphone and the Pocket Rocket means you can easily transfer files, sync your calendar, and receive notifications without switching devices. This seamless connectivity enhances your workflow and keeps you organized, ensuring you never miss an important update or deadline. Pocket Rocket versus traditional laptops, the ultimate showdown. Today we dive deep into the world of portable technology to see how the innovative Pocket Rocket measures up against the tried and true traditional laptops. So, how does the Pocket Rocket stack up against traditional laptops? Let's explore the key aspects that make each device unique and see which one comes out on top in this ultimate showdown. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about portability. Portability. The Pocket Rocket is significantly smaller and lighter than traditional laptops, making it incredibly easy to carry around. Imagine slipping it into your pocket or a small bag without any hassle. This level of convenience is unmatched by most laptops, which often require a dedicated backpack or case. Performance. Despite its size, the Pocket Rocket delivers impressive performance that rivals many laptops on the market. Whether you're running high-performance apps, multitasking, or streaming high-definition content, the Pocket Rocket handles it all with ease. This is a testament to the advanced technology packed into such a compact device. Connectivity. With its 5G capabilities, the Pocket Rocket offers superior connectivity compared to most laptops. This means faster internet speeds, more reliable connections, and the ability to stay connected even in areas with spotty Wi-Fi. For those who are always on the go, this feature is a game changer. Battery life. The Pocket Rocket's long-lasting battery outperforms many traditional laptops. You can go through an entire day of heavy usage without worrying about finding a power outlet. This is perfect for travelers, students, and professionals who need a reliable device that won't die on them halfway through the day. Smaller screen. The Pocket Rocket's display, while impressive, is smaller than most laptop screens. This can be a drawback for those who need a larger workspace for tasks like graphic design or video editing. However, for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, or watching videos, the screen size is more than adequate. Limited storage. The Pocket Rocket may offer less built-in storage compared to some laptops. This means you might need to rely more on cloud storage solutions or external drives. However, with the increasing availability of affordable cloud storage options, this limitation is becoming less of an issue for many users. Versatility. The Pocket Rocket is designed to be versatile, supporting a wide range of applications and use cases. From productivity apps to entertainment, it can handle almost anything you throw at it. This makes it a great choice for users who need a multifunctional device that can adapt to their needs. Design. The sleek and modern design of the Pocket Rocket is another point in its favor. It's not just about functionality, it's also about looking good while doing it. The Pocket Rocket's aesthetic appeal is sure to turn heads and make a statement. Complexity. Traditional laptops often come with a range of peripherals and accessories, which can add to the complexity of using them. From external mice and keyboards to docking stations and additional monitors, the setup can become quite cumbersome. The Pocket Rocket, on the other hand, offers a more streamlined experience with fewer accessories needed. Ease of use. The Pocket Rocket is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive interface and straightforward setup make it easy for anyone to start using it right out of the box. This contrasts with some laptops that may require more time and effort to configure and personalize. Security. Security is another area where the Pocket Rocket shines. With features like fingerprint scanning and advanced encryption, you can be sure that your data is safe and secure. This is especially important for users who handle sensitive information or need to protect their privacy. Adaptability. The Pocket Rocket is incredibly adaptable, making it suitable for a variety of settings and situations. Whether you're in a coffee shop, on a plane, or at a business meeting, the Pocket Rocket can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. Cost. Finally, let's talk about cost. The Pocket Rocket is often more affordable than many high-end laptops, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. You get a lot of value for your money with the Pocket Rocket without compromising on performance or features. In conclusion, the Pocket Rocket offers a compelling alternative to traditional laptops. While it may have some limitations, its advantages in portability, performance, connectivity, battery life, and more make it a strong contender in the world of portable technology. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, the Pocket Rocket is worth considering for your next device. The future of computing. Is Pocket Rocket the laptop killer? The Pocket Rocket is a game changer, offering an enticing blend of portability, performance, and convenience. While it may not completely replace traditional laptops just yet, it presents a compelling alternative for users who prioritize portability and efficiency. Could this be the future of computing? Share your thoughts in the comments below.